Hey there, nutrition navigators. Ready for a wild ride through the world of wellness? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a tasty adventure. Today's destination, stable blood sugar land, and our tour guide, the humble Yam Skin. Yes, you heard that right, Yam Skin. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about stable blood sugar? Well, my friends, it's the key to unlocking a treasure trove of health benefits. Imagine your body as a finely tuned sports car. Stable blood sugar is like premium fuel, keeping your engine purring smoothly. But fear not. Nature, in all its wisdom, has provided us with a secret weapon. Enter Yam Skin, a natural regulator of blood sugar levels. So, are you ready to harness the power of this unassuming veggie peel to transform your health one yam at a time? Great. Let's dive in. Picture this. You're on a roller coaster, but instead of thrilling loops and turns, it's your blood sugar levels doing the wild ride. Unstable blood sugar levels can lead to a whole host of problems. We're talking mood swings, energy crashes, and intense cravings, not to mention the long-term risks like diabetes, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. But wait, before you start planning your farewell party to all things delicious, let me introduce you to our hero of the hour, Yam Skin. This unassuming little fellow is packed with fiber, which is like nature's very own blood sugar regulator. When you eat Yam Skin, the fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This means no more sudden spikes or crashes. Instead, you get a nice, steady release of energy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gina, this sounds great and all, but how am I supposed to eat Yam Skin? It's not exactly gourmet cuisine. Well, my curious culinary companions, prepare to have your minds blown. Incorporating Yam Skin into your diet is easier than teaching a cat to bark. First up, we have the classic roasted yam. But here's the twist. Leave the skin on. Simply scrub your yam, poke a few holes, and pop it in the oven. The skin will crisp up beautifully, giving you a delicious contrast to the soft, sweet interior. Next, let's talk chips. Yam skin chips, that is. Thinly slice your yam with the skin on, toss with a bit of olive oil and your favorite spices, and bake until crispy. Voila! You've got yourself a nutrient-packed snack that's perfect for munching during your next Netflix binge. Last but not least, how about a yam skin smoothie? Blend some cooked yam, skin and all, with your favorite fruits, a splash of milk, and a dollop of yogurt. The result? A creamy, satisfying smoothie that's packed with fiber and tastes like a dream. It's like drinking a hug for your insides. Now that we've got your taste buds tingling and your kitchen inspiration flowing, let's talk about the sweet, sweet benefits of our new BFF, Yam Skin. By slowing down sugar absorption, it helps prevent those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. It's like having a personal assistant for your pancreas, keeping everything running smoothly. But wait, there's more. Yam Skin is also a fiber superstar. And we all know fiber is the unsung hero of the nutrition world. It keeps things moving, if you know what I mean. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals packed into this humble peel. We're talking vitamin C for your immune system, potassium for your heart, and antioxidants to fight off those pesky free radicals. It's like a multivitamin, but tastier. All right, my fellow nutrition navigators, we've reached the final stop on our Yam Skin tour. But remember, this is just the beginning of your Yam-azing journey. Now it's time for you to take the reins and start your own Yam Skin adventure. Remember, small changes can lead to big health benefits. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start small. Maybe swap out your regular chips for some Yam Skin chips, or leave the skin on next time you bake a yam. Baby steps, folks. Before you know it, you'll be a Yam Skin connoisseur, impressing your friends with your vast knowledge of tuber trivia. Now, I challenge you to go forth and explore the wonderful world of Yam Skin. Try out those recipes we talked about. Experiment with your own creations. And most importantly, pay attention to how you feel. Notice the steady energy, the improved digestion, the overall sense of well-being. And when you do, share your experiences. Spread the Yam Skin love far and wide. As we wrap up our journey, remember this. Your health is in your hands, or in this case, in your Yam Skins. Until next time, keep choosing good food, and may your blood sugar levels be ever in your favor. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.